So if you read, this talks about whatever we are doing. Our Picatatis conservation project area, we are putting up 8 classroom block here. 8 classroom with library, office for the students, good toilet and bathroom. The reason why we are building this is to tell the community that if they protect the important bird we have as the Picatatis, more people will come and see the site, and in return it will be a blessing for them. But this wouldn't have been built if not the mega bird we have here. So this is going to be a great gesture for them. Because they don't have a modern classroom block here. We thought that the best thing we can do for the community is to build a befitting school for them. And this is what we are doing. And what we do is the proceeds, the profit we get from our tours, the majority is turned into this project. Not only this, we are building also a reception area with a washroom, so that everybody who comes to go to the Picatatis site will first register, so that we can really know and have the data to know people, maybe somebody who might go and disturb the birds. We want to register everybody who will go to the forest so that we can monitor their activities. In addition, we are acquiring a land which is adjoining the main forest to plant trees, some form of deforestation, so that we can join the primary forest to the virgin forest.
Good.
Yeah, and also build a log there so that when the birds come, they can sleep and even do some bedding at the night. So we are doing all this in conservation to try to protect the Picatatis site from illegal logging, poachers, hunters, and people who want to enter the forest to do their own thing. So welcome to Ashanti African Picatatis conservation site. This is the 8 classroom block.
Great.
And we hope that more Dutch birders will come to Ghana. We know that Dutch people, they are very much into conservation. And once they see what we are doing, I think they will all come and see and experience. As they come, we'll get more money, then we'll put it into projects like this.
Yes. All right, my block.
All right. Thank you very much.
Fantastic.